All right, Pisces, let's get a quick little message and see what energy is coming towards my Pisces. Hell yeah. Okay, so you got sudden wealth. Sorry if you can hear my daughter singing in the shower. All right. What is the energy coming towards my Pisces? Holy Spirit, angels, and guides. Main female. Damn, how you get wealthy man in the reverse? Oh my gosh. I bet you the microphone is picking her up. Okay. Well, marriage. Sudden wealth. Maybe we shouldn't take that in the reverse. Let's clarify. Fuck it. Let's see. Why is, I actually already shuffled these earlier. Why is sudden wealth here for the energy coming towards Pisces? The Chariot, the Hanging Man. So there's something here coming in. Wow. Knight of Swords. There's some type of information, news. I don't know if this is also too some type of discernment, willpower, shifting your perspective about a situation. Sudden wealth. How is this coming towards Pisces? Actually, let me see. What does main female have to do with this situation? Main female. Oh, damn. Temperance. What does this main female have to do with this? What she got to do it. Why is the Nine of Swords here? Okay, why is the Nine of Swords here? Ace of Pentacles. So someone's been worried about this opportunity or worried about something coming into balance. Stress in this main female's been worried about this. But something's coming in. What's this wealthy man have to do with this? What does this wealthy man have to do with this? Oh. What does this wealthy man have to do with this? The Emperor. Aries, Leo energy is here. Aye. And the Three of Swords. So maybe it is wealthy man in the reverse. Okay. Well, I don't know. This wealthy man could be with the Strength card being here in the reverse. This is some type of self-doubt, lack of control, insecurity. Okay. That this man, this could be someone in a position. This could be a father figure, a baby daddy, a boss. But for whatever reason, they feel some type of way. This could be someone who's also used to being in control and they feel like they're losing control of something here with the Strength in the reverse and the Three of Swords. Why is marriage here? What's this have to do with this reading? What does this marriage card have to do with Pisces? The Queen of Cups. The Nine of Pentacles. And this is like single mama energy. I don't know. Independent mama. Okay. Let me stop. If you're an independent mama, put your hands up. I don't know. What the fuck? I don't know what I'm hearing, y'all. Okay. So Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. There is a feminine energy here, Pisces. Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. Who's getting some type of wish fulfillment. What does marriage have to do with this, though? Because this is like a single mom. Or, you know. What does marriage have to do with this? What's the relation between these two right here? What is the relation between these two? They could have a child together. There could be distance involved. Someone here could also be trying to hide. What? Hide what? The moon? There's a moon here. Oh, is someone trying to hide a relationship? Hide a relationship from who? Is that what I'm seeing here? I'm confused. Something here has to do with like some type of assistance, support, legalities. Why is this man in the Three of Swords energy? Why is this man in the Three of Swords energy? The Ten of Wands. They're burdened, overworked, overburdened because of some type of responsibilities. The Hermit, Virgo energy. So this man, I feel like, is losing some type of finances in some type of way. Something here could be through the courts. I don't know what someone is trying to hide pertaining to... Maybe someone's trying to hide it from this relationship. Pertaining to like support or assistance. This masculine is like not happy. They feel like they're losing control. They're burdened, and it's like they're trying to create ways to like withdraw from something because there's some type of a financial loss here. However, still, what does this marriage have to do with it? How does Pisces feel about this situation over here? Is this Pisces? How does Pisces feel about that last situation? How does Four of Pentacles? How does Pisces feel about this over here? You feel victorious. You feel like there's some type of overcoming, some type of conflict, achievement. You feel fruitful, abundant, nurtured. You feel great, like Tony the Tiger. Well, okay. Why is this woman worried? Yeah, why is this woman worried? Is this the same person? Is this the same person? Yes. How does this man feel about this woman? Queen of Swords in the reverse. Let me try that again. How does this man feel about this woman? I don't know. This is like giving like someone who's like let's say if a feminine is moving on. What happened in the past between these two? I feel like someone's like disappointed with like something pertaining to money or investments. May feel like this woman's being cold and cruel. Or they're a biatch. Not that they are. Okay, don't twist my words. Just saying how he feels about her. How does she feel about him? Did I already do that? How does she feel about him? The King of Wands in the Tower. One more, please. Yeah, so someone here feels like, I don't know, maybe this person's actions has led to some type of dismantling, chaos, tower, destruction, something. And this is fair, just, this is, you know, this is like judgment's being called on a situation. What happened in the past between these two? Well, I feel like I feel like there was a child. There's a child here. But they don't seem to be like an energetic match. Queen of Wands, King of Cups, Page of Pentacles. What happened in the past between these two? The Five of Swords. There was some type of underhanded confusion. Someone trying to win at all costs. Fantasy, illusion, other options. Manipulation, whatever. There were some betrayals. So I feel like this person, I still don't understand what the hell marriage has to do with this. Unless someone is, because this is more of like an independent single energy. Maybe someone is going to go off and be. Why is the Empress here? Unless this is like one of those situations where, excuse me. Unless this is one of those situations where I don't know, this is kind of giving me energy of like someone who could have had a child with a wealthy man and now this man's mad or upset because he's trying to like get out of a situation or something and he feels like he's losing something. The feminine seems to be like almost like that's what you get and he doesn't like it. I hate to even say it like that because I know I got men and women that watch me, but that's what I conclude from this story. It happens all the time. Yeah, this person feels like they don't have control over a situation. And like they're losing and this feminine is winning. Wow. What do we say about that? I mean, don't go sticking your... Because you have expecting, or it says expectation, but an imprisonment, like... Yeah, and message of concern is like, I don't know, don't go sticking your dangling in places if you don't want to take care of the responsibilities. I hate to say it like that, but we're all adults here, right? I hope no one did this in a conniving way. Okay. Well, let's get... Yeah, let me get a few cards from here. What else do you want to tell Pisces dealing with this situation? Acceptance. I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. Adversity. I accept the challenge. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Forgiveness. I acknowledge harboring resentment blocks the flow of love. I do think that there's some type of resentment, at least this way, from this person to the feminine. You got patience. I accept that everything happens in divine order. And regret. I know that I cannot change the past. That's for show, for show. All right, Pisces, I'm going to leave this reading here. Let me know how this resonates. If it did, if it didn't, be sure to hit the like button so you guys can get a message. Also, take advantage if you guys want that $50 reading for your birthday. I love you guys. Happy birthday, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.